I thought it would be kind of interesting to see what makes this one-way pulley tick. In this case, it's not working. Need a 17 mil hex. Just comes off. Right there, there's a bit of a step, and looks to me like we just have kind of a spring, and that spring in one direction is going to catch between that and the notch there. If it turns the other way, it just slips over. Easy to see, this is all jammed up with hardened, dried up grease, and that is what's causing our problem. When it fails, it chirps. We learned something.